Namaste. Find your center, find your peace. Balancing asanas do more than strengthen your body. They calm the mind and uplift the soul. Today, let's explore two beautiful balancing poses. One is tree pose and the second one is hand to toe pose. Starting with tree pose, which is Vrikshasana. It's a symbol of grounded strength and growth. Physically, it strengthens your legs, improves focus and enhances stability. Mentally, it cultivates concentration and inner calm, like a tree deeply rooted yet swaying gracefully. Spiritually, tree pose connects you to your inner groundedness and balance amidst life's changing winds. Second is hand to toe pose, which is Hastapadangushtasana. It stretches your hamstrings and spine, encourages flexibility and balance. It massages and tones your abdominal organs, improves digestion and energy flow. At a subtle level, it invites mindful breath and presence, grounding you in the moment with humility and grace. For beginners or those with slight neuro challenges, balancing poses might feel little difficult first. But small steps make all the difference. Use a wall or chair as a support to steady yourself in tree pose. In hand to toe pose, bend the knees slightly or use a strap around your foot to ease the stretch. Remember, balance in yoga reflects balance in life. So step onto your mat today and let every breath be your guide towards the balance. Once you excel in these two asanas, you may want to progress to other lovely balancing asanas like Warrior 3, which is Virabhadrasana III, Eagle pose, Garudasana, Natarajasana, which is dancer's pose, and half moon pose, which is Ardha Chandrasana. So, balance is a dance between strength and softness, effort and ease. With each asana, you step into that sacred dance, finding steadiness, openness, and grace within. Let your practice be a mirror of life's beautiful balance. Om Tat Sat.